Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. I love the taste of cheese. Do you like home-cooked food or restaurant food? I like both. Home food is healthy and restaurant food is exciting. How many meals do you eat in a day? I eat 3 meals in a day. Breakfast is my favorite meal. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I like spicy food. It tastes delicious. What is a popular food in your country? A popular food is rice and curry. People eat it every day. Do you like fruits? Yes, I like fruits. They are tasty and healthy. Do you cook? Yes, I cook simple food like pasta and sandwiches. I enjoy cooking. What do you drink with your meals? I usually drink water. Sometimes I drink juice. Do you eat fast food often? Not very often. Fast food is tasty but not very healthy. What food do you eat when you feel sad? I eat chocolate when I feel sad. It makes me feel better.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.